I go.
The little rat chasing me. I got water coming out of my eyes. Oh my gosh.
My hands are freezing.
I know. So cold.
Oh, my hands are cold.
Stay long, God.
So cool.
We just really
I
wanted you
picked
to
Gretchen
see
up one
Skylar.
time and she said, yeah, she looks good. I actually was going to come over, but the car smells like gas. It's like coming on the inside. It's not starting to run. He needs to fix the fuel pump, whatever it is.
Hey, Gretchen. Hey, Gretchen. Hey, Gretch. Come on.
I think so.
Chris knows. Like
Good, yeah, there's huge. No. No, I did there too. See, that's the one.
Where's Skylar?
Gretchen.
Go.
She started smelling it. You know what?
Don't smell kids.
No,
I don't like that.